This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Welcome to your new home. This newer construction home pays homage to the original character of the area and features an open floor plan with huge great room open to the kitchen. The kitchen has soft close cabinetry, thick slab granite countertops, a breakfast bar, recessed lighting, a large well-appointed first floor primary bedroom, dual zone heating and air system. All bedrooms are large and well appointed. There is a large walk-in attic upstairs for extra storage. Home has it all, including vinyl fenced in backyard and parking area. Do not miss out on this opportunity. December 31st, 2024. For more information, review the details below.